Should we power it up? Oh yeah. Good morning. My name is Joe Cashwell with Rotorcraft RC. Yeah, this is a stunning case. I've been building cases for 10 years now. Every once in a while you get one that just takes your breath away. I love this case. So Mr. Armer wanted everything. Of course, you can see that we have the iPad with the iPad charger. We're going to go over that in a second. He has an accessory charger in the upper. 2 iCharger 4010s. And thanks to Garrett driving me out of my mind, we now have a flip-up screen option in our Pro cases. He loves the color combination red and black. Of course, we do too, because it's Rotorcraft colors. And we gave him RGB LEDs. And we also upgraded the LEDs in the fans to RGB LEDs also. So when our client looked at our YouTube and our website, he decided to merge a couple logo designs that we've had in the past together and come up with his own stunning logo. And with the RGB lights, we can simply change the colors. And if you notice, we took the LEDs out of the fans, replaced them with RGBs and wired them directly to the controller so the fans match the main logo. We've done this a couple times. It works out spectacular. So this is how the iPad mounting system works. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. We're done testing already and gonna ship this out to our client today. Rotorcraft RC, keeping you in charge. So let's take a look at us doing something. It's going to be that day, isn't it?